Good people of the internet, I bring you another music production tutorial. Here's how you do a pretty cool vocal saturation slash lo-fi AM transistor radio kind of sound on your vocals. I've got this demo track that I'm working on and I recorded a scratch vocal and it goes like this. Confusion, caught in a tangled web of lies, illusion. Smoke and mirrors in my mind. So that's our starting point. So here's what we do. Add to your vocal first, Degrader. You can play with different settings. I really like the drop 3, and it does this to the voice. Confusion, caught in a tangled web of lies, illusion. So we're dropping the bit rate and the sample rate a little bit. Gives it that really kind of breaking up digital grunge kind of a sound. After that, JST extra spice, some saturation. I like this particular plugin because it has a lot of control. You got an overall level, in and out trim, pre and post tone controls with a tilt EQ, a mix, and most useful to our purposes, this filtering section at the bottom. So this is before confusion. Caught in a tangled web of light. Now if we kick in this saturator. Confusion. Caught in a tangled web of light. It's adding that sort of warmth and those overtones and that breakup. But what really sells the AM radio effect is the filtering. So you can go down to this section. Confusion. Caught in a tangled web of lies, illusion. The smoke and mirrors in my mind. And I think that sounds pretty good. So, in context, this is what we've got. Confusion. Caught in a tangled web of lies, illusion. Smoke and mirrors in my mind. Quick and easy. Go and try it for yourself. Let me know how it works. Peace.